It's March Madness time. College basketball fans have filled out their brackets and they're watching all the excitement. But what about the most fundamental question about this great game? What's inside a basketball?
Air.
It's like a bladder, isn't it? Like it's filled with air.
Doesn't really matter, does it?
Close, but not quite. The real answer might surprise you. The truth is, it depends on the type of basketball. Take this one, for instance. Designed for use in high school gymnasiums. And it contains, neat, it's a little noisemaker that makes the basketball sound when you dribble it. The Apex Regulation Ball. It's more for street and outdoor play. And it looks like this one has a small diorama of the history of basketball. And look, there's James Naismith climbing up the ladder to get the ball out of the fruit basket. According to the box, the Wilson Evolution intermediate-sized basketball has been filled with spaghetti and meatballs since 1942, when regular air was rationed for the war. Delicious. This basketball came from,
Hey!
I'm sorry.
Come on! Grab me, pervert!
I didn't know, I'm sorry.
Don't be such a looky-loo.
Finally, we have this new smart basketball from the labs at Rawlings. I can't wait to see what's inside this one. God, so satisfying. Thanks for watching. Tune in next week and we'll see what's inside a football player.